Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are taking a closer look at the Robot Aspiradora Mini 3-in-1 car vacuum cleaner. We found this product on Amazon and added the link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. This product is designed for people who want practical features, simple everyday use, and reliable performance. Some of the key highlights include triple cleaning modes. This compact sweeper integrates vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping to seamlessly clear dust and debris across various surfaces. Maintain a clean living space or vehicle interior without manually switching tools. Compact navigation design. Crafted for tight spaces, the small vacuum smoothly glides under furniture and navigates around narrow corners. It follows a logical path to thoroughly cover hard-to-reach areas in apartments or vehicles. Quiet yet powerful suction. A high-performance motor effortlessly lifts pet dander and crumbs from hard floors while maintaining low noise levels. The rechargeable design provides ample cordless runtime so you can work or relax in peace. Simple button activation. Press a single button to launch the sweeper for straightforward daily floor care. The removable dustbin and washable mopping pad make post-sweeping cleanup completely stress-free. Versatile hard floor care. Safely collect dirt from hardwood, tile, and laminate without leaving scratches. Its lightweight frame adds convenience for storing the unit in confined rooms or bringing it along for vehicle detailing. The main purpose of this product is to make everyday use easier and more convenient. It can be useful at home, in a workspace, while traveling, or in different daily situations depending on your needs. One of the most important things to consider is how well the features match your own routine. If you need something simple, functional, and easy to use, this product may be worth considering. The design also makes it suitable for people who want a product that does not feel complicated. It focuses on practical use rather than unnecessary complexity. For many users, that can make the experience smoother and more comfortable. Overall, this product can be a good option for anyone looking for a useful item in this category. Before choosing it, think about where you will use it, which features matter most to you, and whether the design fits your needs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is also useful to compare this product with